Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can remove a watermark or a logo from a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can also remove any unwanted object by using this method. So let me show you how you can do that. First, I'm going to drag the video to my timeline here. Here, as you can see, there's a Pro version written here. I'm just going to zoom in to 75% and show you guys. You see that's a watermark here. So I'm going to show you how you can remove this one. I'm just going to select this one and right click on that to unlink first. Now I'm going to take a copy of this one and paste it above that. Now I'm going to select this file and go to the effects control. If you don't see the menu here, you can go to the Windows and select the effect control panel from here. Now to remove the part, we are going to use the opacity mask. First, we are going to draw some of the part where there is no watermark. And there you go. Now we're going to place this part on above that, and to do this you need to reposition the mask on top of the watermark. As you can see, there is some white text behind that, so we are going to readjust that. And there you go. Now you can see the text. Now as you can see, the watermark from the video is completely disappeared. Now I'm going to play the video for you. To see a difference, you can toggle this one. This one was before and this is now after we added the opacity mask. So that's how you can remove the watermark from a video using Adobe Premiere Pro. If this video works for you, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.